Jen of all trades. Welcome back to another awesome video. So I just wanted to do a sit down, let's chat video, and we're gonna go over what I have been doing and how you can also do this. But basically, how am I making money? What is good? What's the deal? What's going on? So here we go. Alrighty, so if you have been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I have not been posting as much as I normally do or should, and that is because I have been working. So aside from going to school or studying or, you know, my future plans for an actual career, I also am doing this in the meantime, and I'm sure it's backwards for you right now, but this says Shipt. So basically, I am a personal shopper. Let's talk about what this is, what I am doing, and some little tips if you are a shopper or you're looking to become one. Some little tips that they don't teach you in the training that I have kind of learned along the way that I'm going to tell you about. So being a Shipt shopper, basically I am shopping for people's groceries. So I set my own schedule, pros. I set my own schedule, what days, what hours, like what times. All of their deliveries are scheduled within an hour, so I can pick 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, etc., etc. But I can pick when I want breaks, when I don't want breaks. So therefore, as a mom, if my kids have doctor appointments or whatever I need to do, I can take off. And even if I'm already on the schedule, I just unclick it and I'm not on the schedule anymore. So it's very easy to switch your schedule for it to be accommodating to my needs. And I can work as little or as often, as I want. So one thing to note is that this is considered an independent contractor position, which means no taxes come out of our paycheck. So you do have to pay that at the end of the year. That whole thing is pretty easy to do. Also, your mileage and your gas, save the receipts. Keep track of your mileage because all of that is write-offable. You can write it off and you can just get it back at the end of the year, which will also help with the whole tax thing. So anyways, also, we get paid every Friday, just like a normal paying job. Our work week goes from Monday to Sunday. So everything you do as far as orders all the way through that Sunday will get paid the following Friday. So that is awesome, and they do direct deposit. I'm not sure about the other options, but direct deposit works for me. So with that being said, basically people put in their orders, I go shop for them. We work with several different grocery stores. If you want me to get further into that and also maybe take you along on an actual shop and show you how I do it, it's so fun. It's like a scavenger hunt for items and people's things, especially at Target, which we shop at a lot. It's not just food, it can be personal care items, it can be home decorations, whatever Target has, you can buy. So basically, I shop their items, I mark it, do everything in the app, and then I deliver it. So I can do groceries and stuff, whatever's in the store, like at Target. I also do prescriptions at CVS, and we can also do delivery-only orders, especially with like Harris Teeter, or I know Walmart has, we don't really work with Walmart, but basically they put in the order with the store, and then we just pick it up and deliver it. We have nothing to do with the shop. It's super easy, super quick. So legit, you can make like $20-some an hour if you figure between the time mostly to drive to the store, to do the shop, to do the delivery, and drive back home or to your next order or whatever. It's normally like an hour or less. So it's really good money. I love it. This is legit like my most favorite job I've ever had. Like I see myself doing this for a while. Even when I have my own career, like why not just do it for extra money? Like if you got a car, you got insurance, you got a driver's license, you're good to go. All right, so let's get into the tips and things that they don't tell you about. So first of all, I didn't know this, but after you complete your first 30 shops with Shipt, they're such an awesome company. They sent me 2 shirts. So when you first start, you get 1 shirt and your shopper card, which looks like this. You get a credit card that is connected to the to their account. So for each order, you just ring out with a credit card. And then after 30 orders, you get 2 more shirts and a really awesome insulated bag, which I don't have right now. It's in my vehicle that way. But it's really awesome that they send that to you. So that's one less thing that you have to purchase on your own. And I'm wondering, I don't know if there's going to be more incentives along the way. I have also noticed each week it's getting busier and busier. So at first I was on the schedule. I didn't get very many orders, but I think the more that you build up your ratings and the more orders you do, the more you will get. So they can see, hey, she's good, she knows what she's doing, or he, or whatever, and you're good to go. And you'll just keep getting orders. So this week I have actually been running every day. This is gonna be my best week so far. Anyways, the second thing that they don't really tell you is you can combine other apps with this app. So why not make a little bit of extra money along the way, right? So I do this thing called Receipt Pal. I think there's another one. I don't know the name of it. If you do know the name of it, leave it a comment below with that information or the name of it. But basically it's an app that you scan in your receipts. So each time I do an order, you get a receipt, just like when you go grocery shopping, right? Except I keep the receipt. Now, we're told to hold on to those receipts for a few days or so in case there's anything, which I've never had. I have been doing this for about a month. So I scan in my receipts on this app, and which also, number one, keeps a log of them. I can always go back, so if I ever need them for afterwards, I can always go back and pull it back up if I need it. And then also I get points for each one that I scan in, which means when you get to a certain amount of points, you can redeem it for like an Amazon gift card, for little prizes here and there, like freebies. Like, why not just go ahead and get a little extra stuff on the side, right? There's another app called Shopkicks. So basically with that one, put a little thing here so you can see what they look like. So Shopkicks is when you go into the store, you check in on that app, so you can simultaneously do it with this app and the Shopkicks app and do a second scavenger hunt. So you have your regular order, you're scanning in the items, right? Well, with Shopkicks, the same thing. You find the items, you scan it with your phone, you get points. Again, just like with the Receipt Pal or any like receipt kind of keeping app, you get points, which also translates to more money, gift cards, whatever you want to cash it out for. So those are 2 other ways that you can kind of use this to make a little bit of extra little things in between, so you're benefiting multiple ways. The other good thing I have noticed, I have had a couple of repeat customers where they basically see me a lot, and you kind of get familiar with the area, what they like to order, because a lot of it's the same things, and it just makes things easier. Also, you do get tips. So some people do not tip at all. Some people tip amazing. The biggest tip that I had was yesterday. I got $18 on a tip. Like, oh my gosh, it was freaking amazing. That was awesome. But anyways, if you guys are interested in becoming a shopper, I will have a link below. There's like a code or something, so I don't know if that's like a referral code for the shopping or if for you to be a customer with Shipt. Yeah, if you didn't know, we deliver groceries, so you can also just be a customer, and if you don't feel like going to the store, your car's broke down, you don't have the gas, whatever the case may be, you don't drive, you can get us to deliver your stuff for you. And there's us, and there's another company called Instacart, which I just kind of learned about, so you can also be a shopper with them, and you can also get your groceries delivered with them. So I don't know a lot about that, but so far with Shipt, I'm loving it. It is the best, most amazing job ever. Like, for anyone who likes to shop, how awesome is that to just go shop and get paid for it? And it's good exercise. Yes. So anyways, that's what I've been doing with my life. I literally do it. Oh, and the other cool thing, okay, so they tell you, real quick, they tell you that you cannot bring your kids or anyone else with you along on the shops if they are not an employee of Shipt. However, you're basically on your own. You don't have a boss over your shoulder. I've done it. I've seen plenty of other moms do it, especially if you're a stay-at-home mom or whatever the case may be. In the afternoons, yes, I bring my kids with me. They sit in the back of my vehicle and they are quiet and they sit there and I deliver my groceries, and half the time no one even knows they're there. So that is an option. If you have kids, you can't get a babysitter, you can do this anytime, anywhere. You also pick your locations, like wherever you want to go, you can do it. Another benefit or perk of this job, besides being your own independent person and like working on your own and being able to stop and, you know, do whatever you want, shopping when you're at the stores doing another order, like, yeah, if I pass by that shirt and it looks cute, I might look at it, you know what I mean? Also picking up little things here and there along the way for myself in my own home, which is really convenient. I don't have to make another trip to the store. But also, hair and tattoos and whatever doesn't matter. Like, nobody cares, you know? So it doesn't matter what you look like, what you have, what you dress, what your hair is. Like, you don't have to be any type of certain way, just professional and nice, and as long as you're nice to the customers, you get that good rating, you're accepting your jobs like you're supposed to, you'll be just fine. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video, you found it informative in some way. If you have any questions, leave them below, and also let me know if you do want me to take you along on a shop, an actual to the grocery store, and show you what the app looks like and all that good stuff and how it works, like step by step. Like, come on with me. All right, well, give this video a big thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to, if you're not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll be having lots more fun videos coming up. We have a good little nail polish video. I'm going to be comparing different nail polishes to see which one lasts longer. Are the more expensive ones worth it or not? But yeah, let me know. We're going to be doing some fun stuff coming up in the future, as always. And I guess I will see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.